here's the simplest way to make the viral press and hold, tap, and hold images on X, the ones that look faint or incomplete in the feed and fully reveal when held. So, to do this, first head into this website. You can find the website link on my description. After coming into this website, add the photo on which you want to make effect. Then use the brush to paint the parts that should stay visible in the normal timeline. Everything else becomes a special transparent checkerboard that hides in the feed. For example, here's I am brushing the football. I want football to appear on the timeline, and everything else will show up after holding it. You can also adjust the mask opacity. Now preview the effect. Download as PNG, but here comes the most important part. You have to post this image from X desktop site. Do not post from the mobile X app, it converts the image to JPEG and kills the effect.